Mariana, hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What are you in the market for today with your hair?
Wow, I'm feeling adventurous, so what do you suggest?
So we're going to look at the colour.
Yep.
And then we're going to look at the styling as
Okay.
well. Okay. Let's start with styling.
Okay.
And
So I haven't had my hair cut, properly cut, in probably about 2 years. It was quite short and then I just let it grow and just had it trimmed and stuff.
how are you feeling about your shape and style at the moment?
Well, it's safe, so I always had this, but
Okay.
if you want to try something different, it's fine.
So is there anything that's inspired you that you thought, I'd love to try this?
I'd love to
I
try a
wonder
fringe.
if my hair can do this?
I have a bit of a love-hate relationship with fringe.
Yeah.
So I'd love to try a fringe.
Okay, so your hairline
Yep.
is quite interesting because it comes to a point, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And it lifts up here. This is usually a sign that your hair may not sit well as a fringe.
Okay.
And the reason I say this, and we'll get more information from your hair when it's wet, is that when you pull it down, can you see how it just does this?
Yeah, that gap.
Does it always do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that tells me everything I need to know, which is if you were to have a fringe, it might be you would need to have a very heavy fringe
Okay.
that goes all the way back
Yeah.
in order for it to sit well
Yeah.
over your forehead. However, given the fact that your hair wants to open like this, it does give us other options in terms of having something that will sit across your face like that.
Yeah.
Okay, and your hair does that very readily. So what we could look at is creating almost like a grown-out fringe.
Yeah. I love that.
So rather than cutting it to here,
Yeah.
maybe you cut it to here.
Okay.
I'd love to give you a full fringe, but I just don't think your hair's going to do it. you
No,
know?
that's fine.
Or we could probably do it and make it look good now, but you will find that your hair will just start to
Annoy me.
part. Yeah, but we'll look at it a bit more later on. In terms of the rest, I feel your hair is quite silky smooth and straight. Does it hold a curl or a wave?
Yeah,
well?
it does.
It does?
Yeah, it does.
Okay, great.
Yeah, I'd love for you to see trying to do like beach wave because
Yeah.
I try to do it at home, I always fail.
Okay, all right. Okay, so what I suggest is we cut it, we shape it.
Yeah.
We see what your hair presents us with because it's only once we've cut it that it starts to sit up. And then we will work through technique whereby you can create movement and zhuzh. Before we do that, we're going to do some colour.
Yeah.
Okay, I have Shiv here.
Hi. Hey. Tell me, what's your colour history? Is this tinted?
Yeah, well,
What's
he
going
was a
on?
virgin hair up until about 4 months ago and had a lot of greys coming through
Okay.
and I had the roots done.
When your greys came through, because I noticed them here. There's a couple sporadic ones through here. Where would you say you noticed them through the crown?
Yeah, I
the
do
most?
because that's where my parting is and that's when I usually see it.
So you want to do some grey coverage to
Yeah.
sort of blend that away.
We'll tint them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think maybe try something new.
I have an idea.
Go on.
Because we're going to cut in like a kind of grown-up French fringe.
Yeah.
And then we're going to do some shaping through here. What about if we were to put some lighter pieces in?
Well, this is what I'm
Maybe not this light.
thinking. No, not this light.
Do you tint the roots first and then do a balayage afterwards?
I think that would be the best approach for this because we're not trying to create lightness from the root.
Yeah.
We're trying to make style through the ends.
Yeah. So that lived-in colour rather than
Like
freshly done colour.
beachy, cool girl,
Sounds good.
young with a style.
I think
It will
that'd
have
be-
a style.
Yeah, exciting. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, I'm really
Great.
excited for
Okay.
this.
Oh wow. I think we'll see it better when it's dry, but I
Yeah.
can see the glints coming through already.
Yeah, I can see it now.
Yes, there they are.
That looks amazing.
Oh, Shiv. It's lovely. So, lengthwise, I'm just going to take enough off to just tidy things up a bit.
Okay.
And I'm going to focus now on how much of a face frame we create and the way that we connect that through with the shaping. on
Okay,
the
amazing,
sides
thank
there.
you.
Okay. Would you like me to sort of open the wave out a little bit, or?
You do whatever you think you
Yeah.
want to do. I think maybe open up would be quite nice.
I agree, because I think if you decide to ever just let your hair dry naturally,
Yeah.
it's going to sit really well, because this sort of undulation in your hair.
Yeah, it has
just
undulation,
happening-
yeah.
It's happening very naturally. So you could just leave all this to be as it is. You might want to just twist it
Yeah.
and then let it dry like that, and that
Okay.
keeps it kind of together. And then what you can do is just blow dry your new fringe area,
Okay.
and that would be that. So I'll go through it with you. It's opening up really nicely. I mean, we've just rough dried it so far. I've used this. This is called Save the Dew,
Okay.
and this is a blow dry spray by Sam McKnight. It's a really lightweight blow dry spray. It's not sticky at all, and it's quite good for helping your hair not to go frizzy.
Because I kind of used some sprays before and it made my hair feel really greasy.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm trying to find a good one that.
This one is
Okay.
excellent,
Okay.
really, really nice, and you can use it from root to tip. Just think of it like as though it were like a tonic for your hair.
Okay.
Just give it a good overall spritz, and it will protect your hair. I'm going to blow dry just your fringe area first, and
Okay.
even though your hair separates, I think when you're blow drying it, you should treat it as a fringe that's going to come forward,
Okay.
and then let it spread out afterwards.
So blow dry forward.
Absolutely,
Okay.
yeah. So I'm going to use a small brush, and I'm just going to grab a piece of hair. There are going to be long bits and short bits in it. So just grab what feels to you like a workable piece of hair.
Yeah.
And then if you just tuck your brush in there, let the hair fall over, and then go over with your hairdryer here, you can really easily smoothen that out. You don't even have to go all the way to the ends. It's really about getting the fringe area to be sort of smooth. And the fact that it's a small brush means you're not going to get any unwanted lift in it, because if it was a big brush, your hair would end up doing this. But we want it to just come down and forward. So this is a really easy maneuver for you. Okay, I'll just give you a little tip, which is what you're doing at the moment is the hairdryer is coming kind of behind the brush.
Okay.
What I think you should do is focus on getting the airflow over the end of
Got
the
you.
brush. So the hairdryer leads and the brush comes just slightly behind.
Yeah. I need to practice.
You're doing it.
I do have like a Dyson with a brush. Would that be okay to use it?
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely. But you're getting a really great shine here.
Yeah.
So you've achieved it. So now you can just start to let it spread, let it find its place. Look at you. Whoa. So what I'm going to do now is, in order to sort of encourage this nice natural movement you've got going on there. I mean, you could let that be. I mean,
I love it.
it's quite disco, isn't it?
I feel like really Latino now. I know I'm
Yeah.
from Brazil, but I feel even more Latino
Yeah.
with this hair colour.
Great. So in fact, you could actually just blow dry the fringe like we have
Yeah.
now. Let the rest of your hair dry naturally with maybe a bit of product in it. You look really good.
Thank you.
So what I'm going to do is take your hair in quite large sections actually. So I'm going to section off to the temple here.
Yeah.
Take this area above your ear. And I'm going to just blow dry it smooth. And I'm just going to twist it out. So you saw this earlier, didn't you?
Yeah.
So what you can do here is you can hold the brush vertically, but you bring it horizontally towards the mirror. That's it. So you're going that way. And then you stop, and then you just give it a twist. And then you carry on. And just literally pull the brush towards the mirror. You got it. You can see what that does.
Yeah.
In just one stroke,
Yeah.
you've smoothened it, and you've given
And it's
your hair-
shiny.
Yeah,
It's nice
the
and
colour's
shiny.
coming through.
Yeah.
Do you want to have another go?
Yes, please.
Take the brush behind.
This is the bit I need to practice, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, and then go towards that.
So you want to get the hair. Okay. So I'm going to guide you. So the first thing is, you want to get the hair cleanly onto the brush.
Yeah.
And what happened last time was some of it came over like that. So it needs to be in the middle of the brush.
Yeah.
So there we are. You hold that. And so the hair dryer, you're aiming your that, and you want it to be square on, and you just basically pull it out like that. Take the hair dryer away, give it a twist, come back with the hair dryer, and just let the hair drop.
Yeah.
Brilliant. You're doing it.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So lower that.
And then when it gets here,
Twist. Yeah. And then hair dryer kind of like that, rather than like this.
Okay, like that.
Yeah. And just pull it out towards the mirror.
Okay.
Look at that. That's great. So you've got it, and you know you're gaining that kind of
Bounciness.
yeah. It's like an easy movement in your hair, isn't it? So, final thing, a little bit of spray. This is called Easy Updo by Sam Ignite, and it's a hairspray mixed with dry shampoo.
Okay.
So it gives your hair more texture than a helmet of hairspray.
Yeah.
So I'm going to just kind of lift your hair, spray that through, and it's a thing that will make your hair look and feel less kind of
Heavy.
perfect.
Okay.
And more kind of lived in.
Yeah.
And there you have it.
I feel a million. I'm speechless.
I'm beaming as well. It's
This is the best haircut and colour I ever had.
the colour is fabulous.
Suits me, makes my eyes and face just
Yeah.
look 100 times better than it was
Look
before.
tremendous. It's like she's being lit by a different
Yeah.
bulb, isn't it?
I feel like
You look beautiful.
I feel rich.
Yeah.
Right. So Shiv, just to recap, I
Hey.
can see you haven't put any lightness up here,
Yeah.
right? And you've just done it underneath.
Yeah.
So if someone wants to...
I've done it like a halo.
It's a halo. So if someone wants to get this done by their colourist, what should they ask for?
Lived in balayage, less
Yeah.
is more.
Right.
Because actually I've kept it, may I?
Yeah.
Sure.
I've kept it quite dark through
Oh
the crown.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that this is where the halo comes from, because all the colour is applied around the underneath, so when it sits,
Yeah.
it's
And that's what I love so much about it. I've changed my hair and everything, but it wasn't a drastic change that I'm gonna. What
well,
have I
yeah,
done?
that's the point. Like, as soon as I looked at you, I was like, this woman's a brunette. Like, you look good as a brunette, so don't try and fix something that's not broke. And in your case, your greys were here. They weren't on the hairline. If it was hairline greys, I probably would have lightened your hairline a little bit and done face framing foils, but it just wasn't necessary. And don't, I've said before, don't overdo things. Don't try too hard. Less is more. Work with what you've got rather than against what you've got.
Yeah.
I think you look more like you.
Yeah. Like an improved version of me.
It's
like-
it's lifted.
Yeah.
So as I was actually applying the colour, I mentioned even brunettes having just a little like sprinkle of lightness, it just lifts the face so much. Even for myself, I know I've got like a way more severe version than what you've got, but just by having this little bit of lightness, like it actually like brings out
Best
the
features.
undertone. Yeah, it just,
Yeah.
you know, and yeah, you just look radiant.
What was that you did?
Yeah. Yay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Absolutely love it.
Great.